95% of meeting participants lose focus and miss parts of the meeting. And here's exactly what they do during meetings. 39% read the news on the internet, 38% browse social media or read a book, 35% shop online, 32% begin a text message conversation with a friend, 31% play online or mobile games, 28% do other work related tasks, 27% draw a doodle. Meeting are drained, no doubt. Here are 4 golden rules of meetings from Jeff Bezos, CEO of Amazon. I've tried them with my team and they really work. So I personally recommend giving them a try. Steal these cheat sheets to make your meeting yield the same incredible results as Amazon's. 4 Golden Rules of Effective Meetings by Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos. Positive and negative synergy is related with the number of people in the group of the meeting. Meetings at Amazon should only have as many attendees as could comfortably share 2 pizzas. We are to create teams that are no longer than can be fed by 2 pizzas. In all meetings, Jeff Bezos insists on having an empty chair. This chair symbolizes the customer. It's a constant reminder that everything a business does, it must be done to enhance their customers' lives. Bezos has eliminated the presentation tool PowerPoint and replaced it with 6 pages memo. The document contains all the context, backgrounds, details, and ideas the participants need to know. Meeting begins with 20 minutes of silence reading to ensure all participants are quite literally on the same page and focused. As 95% of meeting participants lose focus and miss parts of the meeting. Subscribe to our channel for more educational videos like this. Thank you.